purpose of the rotator drill is multifold. One of the purposes is to practice moving the poi in micro motions. One of the purposes of the drill is to practice moving your body without moving your poi. Okay, so this is a basic rotator drill where I'm keeping the poi where it is, but I'm moving myself. Now, this is the double rotator where I'm moving myself and keeping the poi parallel to each other. This can happen in all of these places, including these little turnarounds that I'm doing here, which we'll ignore that distraction because it's useful for other things that I don't want to get into quite yet. This becomes useful if you're doing these butterfly turnarounds, right? This is very simple, but it's one of those things that we previously talked about where you can take the simple and make it look more complicated. What is also useful is practicing these drills where you're moving from this side plane. It's side plane here. But now, if you just rotate, this is front plane, but you're doing it as a side plane motion because this is a one-handed crossover. Now, if you're being very rigorous about your practice, what you would want to do is all 8 versions of this. You might be thinking, 8? What do you mean? I'm in opposite direction here. My right hand is underhand. My left hand is overhand. There's 4 on this side. I cross my right hand to the left side into an overhand butterfly on the left side of my body, where the right hand is on top. That's 1. 2 is I cross my right hand to the left side underneath the left poi. That's 2. So you're still going into an overhand butterfly, but you're going into the underhand version of it. And you might be like, oh, I never use that. Well, maybe you don't, but if you do a thread the needle, you do. That's where there's utility in it. Or if you mess up while you're spinning, if your body has the muscle memory, you'll be able to save it. Number 3 is, so those are the first 2. Number 3 is crossing the left to the right side. You can cross it on top, and that'll bring you into an underhand butterfly. And number 4 is cross it to the right side and bring it into an underhand butterfly, but put the left hand on bottom, not on top. Okay, so that's 4. Now, if you take what you were just doing, your left was over, your right was under, and you turn 180 degrees. So now you're facing the other way. Now you're facing the other way with the right hand overhand, the left hand underhand. You can do those same 4 drills. Left crosses to right side on top into overhand butterfly. Left crosses to right side on bottom into overhand butterfly. That's 5 and 6. And then right crosses to left on top into underhand butterfly. That's 7. And right crosses to the left side under the left arm into underhand butterfly. That's 8. Now these are very basic drills, and in my opinion, the basics are what save you when you start doing turns, because planes go wonky, hands end up in the wrong place, your body gets in the way, and having these drills can really save you.